Hey, this is Manny Fresh with another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to be able to post to Instagram from your PC using Google Chrome. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and head over to Instagram.com. Once you go to your page and log in, what you want to do is in Google Chrome, you want to right click anywhere in the white space. And then you want to go ahead and click on inspect. And then here on the top, you want to make sure that this is selected. And then this one is not. So this one has to be blue. And then what you want to do is you want to go to this drop down here. And then you want to go to either one of these is fine. I'm going to use the iPhone X. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and refresh the page. So as soon as you refresh, now you see on the bottom here the ability to be able to post, search, and like. And basically you get the toolbar here on the bottom, so you'll be able now to upload pictures from your PC. You could definitely close this here and it's gonna stay like that here on the bottom. So basically this is how you trick Google Chrome that you are a mobile device, so you'll be able to post on Instagram. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any issues, any questions, leave your comment below. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.